Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Wednesday and marks another trading day of the week. So, before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today, we have FOMC at 6 p.m., FOMC meeting minutes at 6 p.m., and that's the only news we have today. All right, so let's go back to the charts. And yesterday was bloody. Yesterday, markets chose to ignore every zone, and that's for a purpose. And in the evening, when I was analyzing what really happened, was when I realized I even made mention of the third touch on the trend line, and the market was just pumping down, right? Yeah, so um yesterday we became liquidity, just like I said, and that's okay. Yeah. So, let me clear everything. What's happening today? So if you look at daily, you can see clearly that now the market has really respected something. And I also made mention of like, I just don't understand myself, bruh. Because I made mention when I started this, and the market came respecting this with this bearish engulfing. I mentioned that once there is a bearish engulfing and this candle closed below this, like where it closed, and that there is a potential sell all the way to here, which I made mention, but I don't know. Yeah, so when I was doing the review in the evening, I saw all of that. And that validated my order setup because that was supposed to be the trade we should take to yesterday. You know, I took on my one account, but I was not satisfied because of the outcome of the buy. All right, so H4, what is happening in H4? Now, if you look at H4, you can see a breakout right here. H4 got broken yesterday. So can we see a pullback for continuation sell to the downside? Or is it going to break and fly? What's going to happen? If you ask me, we will have to watch for the market to go because there might still be a push all the way to the 09. You can see clearly that the pullback that happened with this H4 candle couldn't touch the breakout. So there might surely be another pullback. All right. And if the pullback happens, if you look at it clearly, these are the areas we should be watching. Yeah. So a pullback for a continuation sell. Now go to H1. And when you go to H1, this is what we have. H1 looks tested with a bearish engulfing. So gold dropping. Well, time will tell. Today, actually, myself, I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to trade today. And if I would trade, I will just watch until I'm convinced where the market wants to go next. All right. So if there is a full test to this zone, 09 to 12, thereabout, then I'll look for a sell. All right. If not, I will wait for a drop. Buying is risky now because the market looks more sells than buys. All right. So let's wait for the pullback and look for the sell safely. Or for the buy, there must be a confirmation before you buy, not just because it has reached the zone. So we are buying. That one will factor us up. So we wait for the confirmation before we buy. All right. So we wait for this. Oh, but with this, I would rather be interested at this line here. So we just have to watch. Okay. We just have to watch and see to the very end. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment, like, and share. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is risk management, which can keep you active in the game for the long run, just like yesterday. Until then, I will see you in the next video and have a nice day.